Hey guys, so I'm dyeing my hair purple. We have all the necessities. So basically I wanted like pastel purple hair, but I figured I'm gonna need it like kind of bright and then it'll eventually fade to that. So I'm kind of going for a bright purple. I did a test strand somewhere. You can't even see it because it washed out so quickly. I have two of the Manic Panic Ultra Violet jars here. I'm not gonna put straight up dye on my hair because I don't want it to be like emo purple. I bought some cheap conditioner from my local dollar store and we're gonna do this. So my plan is I'm going to see how dark my roots are. Well, they're not like dark. I'm not a brunette, I'm a natural blonde, and they just look really dark against my bleached hair. So if you haven't seen my other videos, I have a video that was like how to achieve like platinum hair, and it has like 20,000 views or something like that. Maybe it's gone up, I don't know. But yeah, thanks for that, by the way. And so I had platinum blonde hair for a while, and then I went gray, and then I went silver, and then I decided, you know, I'm gonna just let it grow out because my hair needs a break. So basically my mom's gonna be doing it for me because I can't do it. So yeah, you're gonna be seeing my mom in the background. It's lit. So here's the process of purple hair. Okay, this is what it looks like with all the dye on it. It looks really dark, but I don't think it's gonna be this bright. It was diluted, so we'll see. But I feel like my roots have definitely been on longer than 30 minutes because it took a really long ass time to do this because my hair is really long and super thick and my hands are purple. So whoa. And so is this cloth that is now ruined. After this, I'll just skip to what it looks like tomorrow because I'm gonna end up going and washing this out, and then I'm gonna like blow dry it, and then I'll probably style it tomorrow just so that it looks like presentable and you guys can get like a good look at it, because when I blow dry my hair is like whoa. So I'll catch up with you guys when you see the results. Hey, so as you can see, this is the finished look of my hair. I have a few things to say. First, we obviously didn't expect it to be this bright, but I'm loving it. Like, what? I didn't expect me to actually like it, but it looks cool. But one thing I would like to say, if you get the Manic Panic Ultra Violet and you have natural like blonde hair like I did on my roots, just know that it won't really show up if you don't have like bleached light enough hair, because my roots just look black, which is fine because I kind of like the way like the gradient look, but on the bleached parts of my hair it came out very vibrant, and this will obviously fade really fast. So I kind of don't want it to fade, and I keep looking here because I'm on my phone and it's just my face is taking up the whole screen. This is what it looks like. I curled it, and in natural lighting it looks very purple, but if I were to go to my bathroom right now, it would look more blue. Like when I first blow dried it last night, it looked very blue, and I was like, okay, whatever, it's blue. And now in natural lighting, it's extremely purple. And so everyone was really worried I would look emo. Like, no offense to anyone, like, that's, I don't know if that's an offensive term, I don't know. But like, you know, like the scene people with like the razor bangs like this. But I don't. I love it so much. There's the back. There's the back of it. Got a great view of the toilet there. I'm gonna take this down. Let me know what you guys think of this hair color. If you like it or if you think I'm insane and it looks stupid, just let me know. But yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know what to do. Leave a like, subscribe. If one of my other videos got like 20k views, and so if every single one of you subscribed, I would have 20,000 subscribers. So whoever's watching this, if you would just like to hit that little subscribe button, that would be great. You don't have to, but you know, it'd be nice. But yeah, make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram to see the pictures I take with this hair if you're interested. You don't have to. They're always on the end screen and in the description box. That's my Twitter and my Snapchat too. And I'll see you guys in my next video.